okay. I didn't plan on sharing today, but here we are. I was at my Dollar Tree. It's not even Labor Day yet, and look what's here. This one has peace. I like how they made the A out of it. Then there's Mary, and there's a reindeer for the Y. This one's kind of like the pumpkins. This isn't quite cut out. You can kind of see the inside there. There might be a couple dots if you had some lights in there. I'm not sure anything's going to shine through. Then I found an ornament sign. I also found the metal words. So peace, joy, and believe. Hopefully maybe they'll give us a couple more this year. I got these stockings. There was 12 of them. There's also snowflakes and trees and Christmas trees and gingerbread men and wood gingerbread men. These are just a few of the things I grabbed. Okay, this isn't Christmas, but I have to share with you. Belly flops. So it's 4.7 ounces, which is more than you usually get in their pack at the Dollar Tree. They're a little bit irregular. They're maybe not perfect jelly beans. So, belly flops. I thought it was cute. Okay, then I got some trees. There's 8 of those. And there's this burlap ribbon, holly. There was a bunch of different kinds. I didn't grab much. I just grabbed this. And, okay. That's my parrot. Here is a blessed tumbler. And there is a blessed coffee cup. And a faith. So I'm going to send my daughter a faith tumbler and a blessed coffee cup with some cider. And then she's going to nursing school out of state. So, and then I have some blessed pot holders. So they had some of these out. And so I thought I would share. They also had like a charger, but the gray part kind of has a funny, creamy, weird tint to it. So I didn't grab those. They also had a plate. So I just had to show you guys. Oh, one more. I just saw I had that one too. So it's a it's a gingerbread house. I thought that could be really cute painted up. So there we are. This is just a quick blurb. You know, there is a lot of other things that I didn't grab. I was not ready or in the mood for Christmas yet. Again, Labor Day's in a couple of days, so maybe hit your Dollar Tree, see what's there. Share in the comments below what you picked up. All right? Have a great weekend.